We've learned some things over the last couple of years while we were fishing snap jigs. Snap jigs are a little different than a regular jig, okay? They're an aggressive style jig. They cause a reaction bite. You're not trying to mimic something supernatural. You're trying to basically create a trigger bite. And so because of that, you want to pick a head that's heavier than you would normally use. This is one of my bread and butter jigs right here. It's a 1/2 ounce head with a 3-inch Gulp minnow. You're going to notice one other thing about this is that I've got a minnow that matches the head. It's a gold glitter minnow. You've never been able to get that before in a Gulp product. But now we've got some colors that really work well. So this is one of the setups. I like to fish that bait in anywhere from 5 to 15 feet. If I'm going to fish, say 10 all the way down to 25 feet, or if my lake that I'm fishing has a lot of big walleyes in it, then I'm going to go to a 3/4 ounce head. You fish it with small snaps again, no more than a foot. Let the jig swim back to you. It'll kind of come down at angles. It creates that trigger bite. I couple it with a 4-inch Gulp minnow. And again, you can see here, this minnow, Gulp minnow, is purple and glitter. Just remember, fish them fast and get that reaction bite and fish them heavier than normal. And you're going to catch a lot of fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.